In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off focus status on iPhone on iOS 18. So if many times you use focus on your iPhone to manage your day, then you now have a feature to turn off the focus status or turn it on whenever the focus status is available or is turned on your iPhone. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on focus status on iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on focus. Once you selected that, you should see a feature called focus status, and this you can see it is turned on. When you give an app permission, it can share that you have notification silence when using focus. Now to disable this, all you just need to do is click on focus status, then turn off share focus status, and then including do not disturb. So when you turn on do not disturb or any other focus on your iPhone, the focus status will be disabled from the lock screen on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily enable or disable focus status on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.